Welcome, everyone, to our training on the lean FIFO process. Today, we will cover the basics of FIFO, which stands for first in, first out. In manufacturing, this means that the oldest inventory is used or sold first. This approach is critical for maintaining product quality, reducing waste, and ensuring efficient workflow. FIFO is a fundamental principle in lean manufacturing. It helps reduce waste by ensuring that older materials are used before newer ones, minimizing the risk of obsolescence. Additionally, it helps in reducing inventory holding costs as products move through the system more quickly. Implementing FIFO offers several benefits. It improves product quality by ensuring that older materials don't expire or degrade. It also enhances traceability, making it easier to track products through the production process. Lastly, it supports better inventory management by keeping inventory levels in check and reducing excess stock. Let's differentiate between FIFO and LIFO. While FIFO prioritizes using older stock first, LIFO uses the most recently received materials first. FIFO is often preferred in manufacturing due to its focus on quality and freshness, whereas LIFO might be used in situations where products don't have a shelf life, like in some storage operations. Implementing FIFO requires careful planning of the physical layout of production lines. Products need to flow logically from the start to the end of the line. Proper labeling and tracking systems are also crucial to ensure that employees can easily identify and use the oldest materials first. In inventory management, FIFO plays a key role in improving inventory turnover rates by ensuring older products are sold first. This is particularly important in just-in-time systems, where minimizing inventory levels and reducing waste are critical goals. While implementing FIFO, common challenges include space constraints and tracking errors. These can be addressed through proper training of staff and the use of technology aids like barcode systems or RFID tags to ensure accurate tracking and easy identification of materials. To ensure the success of FIFO, it's important to conduct regular audits and reviews to identify any issues. Continuous training and engagement of employees are also vital. When everyone understands the importance of FIFO and is committed to following the process, the likelihood of success increases. Praxie provides simple yet powerful tools for FIFO methods, as well as dozens of other process solutions. Contact your representative to learn more. In summary, FIFO is a crucial lean manufacturing principle that helps maintain quality, reduce waste, and improve efficiency. Continuous improvement is key to sustaining the benefits of FIFO. We encourage you to keep refining your processes and, now that you're ready, complete your assessment today.